Okay, just gonna do a little test today. I have my number 2 cylinder that's dropped out, running on 3 cylinders right now, and just trying to figure out what's going on with this. I'm gonna try to see if I can eliminate if it's electrical or not. I've tried cleaning number 2 carburetor while it's on the bike. Took the bowl off, cleaned actually replaced the pilot jet, and did some spraying through there, through where I can see it coming out of the orifice behind the slide there. Anyway, so that all seems to be good. It just won't fire up. Was intermittent for a short time where it came back and then it cut out again. So number 2 cylinder here. Yep, just lukewarm there. So what I'm going to do is I took out the plug wire and I just put an Allen wrench in there that just fits snug in there. Actually, let me go here. So there, just gets in there nice and snug. I just lay it over there for now. I'm going to turn off the lights and turn on the bike and see what kind of spark I get. There we go. I'll fire it up. It's already warmed up. That looks like a good spark to me. Well, there you go. It's not an electrical issue. That's a nice fat spark. So looks like I'm gonna end up having to pull the rack and see what's going on with number 2 carburetor. This started happening after I had replaced the petcock. I had a single feed petcock there, and that started leaking, so I bought a copy of the original for replacement, and it seems to be good quality and everything else working correctly, and it worked correct for a while. Like I said, it was intermittent. I think it just got some debris from the tank and just made it sway to number 2 carburetor. Really didn't want to pull that rack apart, but it'll be a good time to go through all the carbs and get them clean, maybe replace some seals. So thank you for looking.